Quick question. How much of your trading profit goes straight back out on tools? $60 a month? More? And after all that is half of it still locked behind one more upgrade? Most charting platforms want your card before they show you anything. This one does not. Every indicator, every time frame, every market already unlocked. Let me show you what that actually looks like. It does 3 things. 1. Chart it. 2. Build it. 3. Act on it. We take them in that order, starting with 4 things you will use every day. Search any symbol on any global exchange. Read it on any time frame, from 1-second bars all the way up to 12 months. Add an indicator in 2 clicks and it draws straight onto the price. Draw a trend line and it snaps to the price it is pointing at. None of that is held back. So, here is the rule. If it runs in your browser, it is free. If it needs our servers, that is pro. And the workspace around it. Split into a grid and watch 4 markets at once. Keep screeners, news, and company data in the rail beside the chart. Tune every detail of how it looks, from the crosshair to the keyboard shortcuts, and read the documentation for any feature without ever leaving the app. 2. Build it. Connect nodes on a canvas or write real Python. Both run on the same engine underneath, and you can move between the two whenever you like. Start from the node library. Market data, indicators, conditions, actions. Or open the script tab and write it out by hand. Then apply it, and it backtests itself against decades of history. Return, win rate, and every trade it would have taken. Click any one of them, and it lands on the price. If this is useful, subscribe, give it a like, and share it with someone still paying for charts. 3. Act on it. Set an alert straight off the crosshair, and it watches the price for you. Screen a whole market down to the names that meet your conditions. See which sectors are leading. Those 2 sit on the pro side. Then connect your own brokerage and place the order from the chart itself. So open a chart and try it. Subscribe, like, and share if this helped. charts.tradegrub.com